Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another comparison video between the two pairs of Nike KD15 Oreo colorway. So let's find out where is the different. As you can see on the first sample, you can see the cage size just like the other colorways. The cage size is too big. You can see here. You cannot see the stitching between the two lace hole here. You can see, whereas on the authentic we can see clearly. Also this one is too big, very huge, very big. We cannot see the lace hole here. The lace hole is covered by this cage. And this one is the right shoes, still same. You can see here there's a narrow gap between the lining and the cage. The lace hole is totally covered by the cage on the fake one compared to the authentic. And this one also, the cage size is too big. You can see you cannot see the stitching here on the middle between the two lace hole, whereas on the authentic one we can see it clearly. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, still same here. The cage is misplaced. This one is placed right in the middle of the lace hole, and this one is slightly to the right on the fake one. You can see here it's misplaced. And also this one, we can see whole lining, the white lining here clearly on the authentic, whereas on the fake one you can see here we cannot see this, cannot see the stitching because it's covered by the cage is misplaced. And also look at on the two box here, the stitching here is, the stitching direction is just straight horizontal, whereas on the authentic it's a lot more rounded. Another sample here, you can see it straight horizontal. This one is rounded, the authentic one. And moving to the insole, you can see between the KD and the comma there is a little bit gap here on top here and the bottom, whereas on the fake one you can see here between the KD there is no gap, it's too close with the comma. And look, moving to the back of the shoes, you can see the embroidery is not clean on the fake one. There is a embroidery left here, so the stitching left. There is a stitching left here. Compared to the authentic, is clean. There is no stitching left. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video just like this. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.